Hi, this is Kunjan Shah. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk. Here we will see a few shortcuts for the Android Studio, which will help you while developing the Android programming language, Android application or Flutter application. So let's start with first. Press Shift twice. If you press Shift twice, it will open the search menu for all the files. You can write all the file name, all the type of file name, XML, Java. So this is a quick help to search the file. Here you can find other type of menu like class, file, symbol and action, and all these have a shortcut also. So if you want to direct jump to classes, if you want to find only classes, then you should press Ctrl N. Then for the file it is shift Control Shift N. For the symbol it is Control Alt Shift N, and for the action it is Control Shift A. So generally we are using only Control Shift A to find all these things. Okay, and for the action, if you forgot any shortcut for the menu, then you can search via action. For example, bookmark. So here you can see all the shortcut menu for the bookmark. So this is for the uh, Control Shift A or Control double shift or Control Shift A, like direct to navigate to action. Okay, then second is a Control F, third is a Control F. If you want to search in a current file, then you can press Control F, any keyword if you want to search in a current file. Then Control Shift F for hold the project. If you want to find any keyword for hold the project, then this is the Control Shift F. Then another is a Control R or Control Shift R. Control R means Control R. If you want to replace any keyword in current file, then it is a Control R. And if you want to replace in whole the project, then it is a Control Shift R. Right? Now Control E and Control Shift E. Control E means it will show you a recent file where you have changed or you have opened the recent file name. All kind of file name it will show you. And Control Shift E, it will navigate to recent location where you have searched or you have changed. It will show all the recent location, which is Control Shift E. Okay, then Control Command Y. Command Y is only for MacBook. You can see the preview of recent changes. Here for Windows, Command Y means it will delete the key. For example, Command Y, it will delete the 87 number line. Okay. Then Command F12, it will show all the members of current file. All the members of current file means member means member function or member variables. But it will only show in it will only work in a MacBook. In Windows, it will not work. Then Control T or Control Alt Shift T. Control Alt Shift T is for refactoring. If you want to refactor if you want to rename the key, then you just type Control Shift T, rename. Here for rename also Shift F6, but you have to press F6 button. It will take much more time, then this is a very handy keyword. Control Shift Control Shift Alt T. Control Shift Alt T. Okay, it will show the refactoring menu. Then Control B. Control B will navigate to declaration or definition. For example, Control B. See, this is the declaration, and if you want to go to the definition, Control B. So it will navigate to particular declaration or day. Here from the mouse or click event also you can do like this. Here Control B, Control V. I have installed one plugin which is a key promoter, key promoter X. So if you want to learn or if you want to practice the shortcut keys, you can install this plugin. It will remember or memorize you the particular shortcuts. When you click on the uh, file or if you want to forget the keyword, it will show the shortcut to you. Let me open one file for the practice. Recent file, Control E. Okay. So alter arrow. Alter arrow means it will navigate to next function for current file. Alter arrow up, alter arrow down. Then Control G means jump to line. Control G for jump to line. You can jump via line number. Then Control Shift backspace. Control Shift backspace. It will redirect to recent editable location. Means view where you edit last time. Control Shift backspace. Then alter close. Close other files. See if you let's open other files also. Control E splash activity, Control E VC adapter. Okay, and if I want to close other file except a static fragment, then I will press what is this, alter close. Alter, I will press close, but I already press alter keyword, so close. So it will close other files. And if I want to close this current file, then for this shortcut is Control F4 for Windows and Command W for MacBook. Control F4. It will close current file. Then bookmark. If you want to bookmark any file, any location, for example, I want to bookmark here, so F11. This is F11. So here a right symbol, and this will bookmark. Here you can write a description also. So if you forgot this location, then shift F11. It will open the bookmark menu and you will redirect it to bookmark location. This shortcut will helpful while you have existing code which you haven't developed, and you need to explore the functionalities and code, then it will help for the bookmark. It will remain for after making the bookmark. It you can remember all the locations. You don't need to memorize the location. Using bookmark, you can find the important locations. Okay.